Here's a great deal on a 2014 Subaru WRX STI. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is still under 75,000 kilometers. Subaru made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.